What's good, YouTube? We back with another one. Another POV here. It's a nice day, Sunday. It's the day after I recorded that last video. If you guys saw the video where I announced the tips of manual driving. Want to say I appreciate the likes, the views, the comments on all the videos. Appreciate the support. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe to the channel. It means a lot. I really appreciate it. It's very motivating to see. Right now, I'm just going to the airport to drop off a rental car with my fiance. She already left a little ways ahead of me. So I thought it'd be kind of interesting to see if we could catch up to her. She has to do gas. I think maybe put a little bit of gas, top it off. So we'll eventually get there, so get together at the same time somewhere. But yeah, a little POV and a little bit of traffic. You're gonna hit it. You gotta hit it because I'm hitting it. I think it was. See if I see it up there. I do not see her right there. She's not within eye distance at least. Definitely got some ways to go. There's no openings. I'm gonna get through all of this right now. So it stinks. Up. Usually about somebody chilling in the right lane as well, or the left lane, I should say. Yeah, that's what I thought it was. Don't stop now. You were hitting it before. Hit it, please hit it. Thank you. I know where she's going, and it's like, it's kind of like fun and interesting. It's like, damn, I'm going slow, because like when I slow down, she's probably speeding right now, so it's not like she could, like burn me if we're neck and neck, but it's like, this is where it's like getting away. It's kind of cool. It's interesting. software. I hit my cuts pretty much based off, like, if I see I got
Police reported ahead.
another option here. This dude is dragging it though. That Escalade wasn't there. Only 5 minutes ago, there's no way I catch up to at this point with these cars in front of me in this one lane tunnel. To the airport. Imagine if the water started coming in here in this tunnel, man. That's one of my biggest fears. And there she go right there too. I technically caught up to her. That I never had before. This feeling that I never had before, and I deserve it, and I deserve it. Alright, so we gonna end this video off here. Y'all can see we caught up to the Jeep. So we just gonna end it off here. I appreciate y'all. If y'all made it to the end of this video, hit a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I appreciate it. It does a lot for the channel. Yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.